Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you? The secrets women keep. The secrets women keep. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. My name's Antoinette, but you can call me Anto. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so you get notified every time your girl posts a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to slay those head wraps using African print that we also call Ankara. So here with me, we have bold and bright and vibrant colors of different African print fabric. You see the colors, how popping they are. The colors are just beautiful. One thing that is so good about head wraps is that just don't go out of style. You can rock head wraps all year long. Another good thing about head wraps is that, girl, they are just not made for only bad hair days. You can rock head wraps even on fabulous, gorgeous hair days. Let's get into the video. For our very first head wrap, I'm using this fabric. I call this the twisted bun. Make sure you fold your fabric. Fold it right in the middle. You can pass it behind your head. Bring it in the front. Make sure you tie it up. Pass it around. Make sure you tie it up. So tie in your head wrap like this. Make one and wrap it around like this. Yes, like that. Twist it, like I showed you. Bring it to this. Join it together. And twist this. Twist this. So the end of this one has been joined to this. So make sure that it stays in place. And then you also bring this round. Bring it around and tuck it under the first twist that you passed behind here. So look at that. Just play with it and tuck every loose ends inside so nothing stays out. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Slay. I slay. You slay. For our next head wrap, we'll be using this. Our next head wrap I call Nubian coin. Let's get it done. You take a softer fabric when doing this head wrap. You take a softer fabric or a softer head wrap, and then you pass it in between, like round in between your thumb and forefinger, like this. Put it on your hair like this. I know, right? These are the things that comes with beauty. And then you cover it up with a hair net or a satin bonnet. Make sure you open up your head wrap, fold it in the middle, and put it, pass it also over your head. Bring it to the front Bring it to the front like this. Pass it round. Pass this first one around. Before you pass this round, make sure you lay this underneath this one, and also pass it round. Make sure you pass it all the way to the back and bring it to the front. Just look for somewhere you can tuck it in. Just play along with it so that it can give you the shape, the desired shape that you really want. I am officially a Nubian queen. Oh, hail your royal majesty. Yes. Let me show you the back. Look at that. Ooh. You are my African queen, the girl of my dream. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are girl. Hmm. Girl, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you? The secrets women keep. The secrets women keep. With this one, who is going to know what is underneath? Nobody except me, if not for this video. On a more serious note, you can add something to this. Blend it with another fabric. So you can use this to add to the style and give it some room. Yes. We need some decorations on this crown. So twist it 3 times and that's it. Pass it to the back. Make sure you tie it up like this. Tie it up. And then tuck the tassels, the fringes, sorry. Tuck the fringes underneath this one to secure it in place. Yep. The next head wrap, I call that the back flip twisted bun. So we're going to concentrate at the back. Wrap this up like we did with the first one. Put it at the back like this. Always secure it with a hat, a satin bonnet. This time around, all concentration is going to be at the back. I'm going to use this. I just love the details that looks like, I don't know, something like a whirlpool. Yeah. Something like twirls or whirlpools. I take one end of it and join it. Make sure I join it to the other opposite end. So it forms something like a triangle. It forms something like a triangle. I wish you can see it here. Just take it, put it to the back like this. Bring it around. Bring this too. Yeah. Make sure it is secured in place. Pull it. Bring it upward. Tie these two together. Bind them together. Make sure you pull some fabric to the front. Two. Tie them again tightly. There we are. Here goes my back flip bun. So let me just show you the sides and the back. So for our next head wrap, we're using these two fabrics. I'm holding it in the middle and this also in the middle, and then we're going to join them together and twist them together. Twist and twist and twist. And bring it here. So guys, just work your way with it so it gives you exactly the design that you want. So there we go. I present you my Ankara crown. Let me just quickly show you the back. Look at the back. Side. And then another side. This video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.